These are the fans that have come to watch Messi, but right now they are in utter disappointment and they are now throwing the bottle, showing the disappointment. They are saying that this is, you see the bottle right now.
The management did nothing. They gathered around Messi and any visitor was able to see Messi properly. I have paid almost 12,000. More than 13,000 I have paid to see Messi.
We are currently reporting from the Salt Lake Stadium, and right now the mood of the people have changed. These are the fans that have come to watch Messi, but right now they are in utter disappointment and they are now throwing the bottle, showing the disappointment. They are saying that this is, you see the bottle right now being thrown at the administrator, at the organizer, saying that this was a complete scam on their part. What they are basically alleging is that they did not get to see Messi. Messi did a 3 rounds here. He did not play any football, but now the fans are not in the right mood. They are right now also, as you can see, clicking off the board. They are now tapping and punching on the boards, and this entire arena, the boards have been, dismantled as well in some parts. You can see right now they are now throwing down the boards. The bottles have been, being thrown at the stadium in this particular part, and right now the boards are also being torn away. This is the current situation at the Salt Lake Stadium, where people are disappointed. The security officials are also right now, you can see bottles being thrown at them. They are trying to save themselves, and now they are having all the security equipment with them. So now what will be the administration has to say about this is something that will take in answer. So we are being joined by certain fans who are not happy with the way they have been treated in the stadium. What happened?
The management did nothing. They gathered around Messi and any visitor was able to see Messi properly. No, I have not seen. I have paid almost 12,000. More than 13,000 I have paid to see Messi. But the crowd, see the crowd, saw them. Everyone is disappointed.
How long Messi was in the ground? For how
For
long?
almost 15 minutes. 15 minutes.
How much money did you give? 10,000. 10,000.
Yes, I paid 13,000 almost. I paid 13,000.
You are saying after paying 33,000, you
Yes.
have not got.
No, I haven't seen. I haven't seen Messi.
I have paid more than 20,000. I haven't seen a bid.
So here you see the people, the fans who are not very happy with the administration. They are basically saying that they have paid thousands of rupees. They were asked to pay in advance, but now they have not got to see Messi at all. So this is the current situation in the entire stadium.